everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making delicious rainbow cupcakes with fluffy, what I like to call cloud frosting. They're going to be so good, so just delicious, and they're going to be perfect for Pride because we got to be loud and proud, right? And what better way to be loud and proud than with delicious rainbow cupcakes. All the ingredients and the directions are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now to get started, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get this party started with some delicious rainbow cupcakes. Now our first step is to cream our butter and sugar. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 2 sticks of softened butter and 2 1/3 cups of white sugar. Then with our hand mixer, we're going to cream these for about 3 minutes until they're nice and light. Kind of a light pasty, not pasty, kind of like a pastel, that's the word. A pastel yellow, just nice and light and yellow and fluffy. Once you have your butter and sugar completely creamed together, we're going to follow that by adding in 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 5 egg whites. And then with our hand mixer, we're going to go back in and mix until totally combined. Now let's go ahead and scoot that over to the side. Grab another mixing bowl for our dry ingredients and start by adding in 3 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And then we're just going to give that a quick little whisk. Now let's go ahead and take our flour mixture and 1.5 cups of milk and alternate our milk and our flour mixture into our butter and sugar mixture. And with our hand mixer, mix those ingredients together in between the alternations. It's not a soup, we're not altering it. And there is our delicious cupcake batter. Now, before we add it into our cupcake pan, we want to go ahead and split it up into 6 bowls. And, rainbow it up, pride it out, and let this cupcake batter be loud and proud by coloring them with our rainbow colors. A little bit of red, a little bit of orange, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of green, a little bit of blue, and a little bit of purple. And then we just want to mix all these colors until they are fully combined with our batter. I am loving how these colors are turning out and cannot wait to get these cupcakes in the oven. So let's go ahead and take our cupcake pan with our liners already in and start adding in our batter. Now you can do this one of 2 ways or multiple ways, depending on your preference. If you've been to the channel, you know I'm a big fan of my piping bags, so I'll be using that, but you can use a Ziploc bag with a little snip of the corner, or a spoon, or a cookie scoop. The cat's meowing at me. Hi Jenny, I know. I know. I'll give you treats after. So let's go ahead and put our cupcake batter into our cupcake pan. And for this part, like you can see what I'm doing, you want to make sure you have a nice thin layer of each color. So they're going to stack like a rainbow because they're rainbow cupcakes. Now let's go ahead and pop these bad boys in the oven and let bake for 20 to 22 minutes. And then we'll have our delicious cupcakes. So our cupcakes have baked and cooled, and now they're ready to decorate. I'm gonna be using this delicious, fluffy, I swear I know how to talk, fluffy, kind of cloud-like frosting. I'll put an iCard. I always get confused what corner it is, but it's in one of these corners, and I'll throw the link down below. If you're not a fan of it, you can use any kind of frosting you want. Chocolate frosting, vanilla frosting. You can deck your vanilla frosting out with pride colors and make this cupcake rainbowed out from head to toe. But I kind of like the cloud frosting because it's like, you know, rainbow and clouds. It brings me back to my childhood days of collecting sparkly Lisa Frank stickers and just, you know, nice glittery memories of my childhood. I feel like I just totally embarrassed myself, but that's all right. Let's go ahead and start adding on this delicious frosting. And there you have it. Perfect rainbow cupcakes with light, fluffy, got it that time, cloud-like frosting. Perfect for all of your Pride celebrations. They're gonna be so good. I'm probably gonna be making these again for our Pride here in Pittsburgh, which I'm excited for, can't wait. Toni Braxton's gonna be performing. I don't know why I'm tripping over my words. But let me know what your plans are for your Pride in your city. Who's going to be performing? What are you going to be wearing? These are important details. But that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you make and try these delicious rainbow cupcakes, or if you want to share what you're going to be wearing for Pride or your Pride pictures, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook, Twitter, say hello in the comments, let me know your thoughts. A lot of things. Did you collect Lisa Frank stickers and Lisa Frank stationery when you were a kid like I did? But until next week, bye.